Ready to unlock the power of programmable communication? Not sure where to start? Then head over to Twilio.com. That's Twilio.com. In your web browser, this is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You will be redirected to the login screen. Enter the email address and password associated with your Twilio account. Be sure to double check that you've typed everything correctly to avoid any login issues. And just like that, you're in. This is the Twilio Consol, your central hub for managing everything Twilio. Notice the account sit at the top. This is like your unique identification number within Twilio. On the left side, you'll find the navigation menu. Here, you can explore different sections like programmable voice, messaging, and more. Each section allows you to configure specific Twilio features to suit your needs. Take a look at your account balance displayed prominently on the dashboard. This shows you how much credit you have available for using Twilio services. Scroll down to see a summary of your account usage. This area provides insights into your call and message activity, helping you track your expenditure. The Twilio Consol is your one-stop shop for controlling your communication channels. Experiment, explore, and unlock all the possibilities. That's how simple it is to access your Twilio Consol. Now you're equipped to take control of your Twilio account. Happy coding!